Today I'm going to show you how to run a channel scan for free over-the-air channels on a Philips brand television. Now this TV is admittedly a few years old, but anybody new to using a TV antenna to watch free over-the-air television may not know that digital TVs require you to run a channel scan before you can watch channels. It's not like the days of analog TV where you just plug your rabbit ears in and the channels come up. Digital channels have to be scanned into the TV before you can watch them. And this is an older 19-inch Philips TV, but this is exactly the kind of TV that lots of people probably have in a bedroom or an office or in the garage and want to be able to add some channels to it with an over-the-air TV antenna. The first thing you want to do is make sure your TV antenna is connected to the RF jack on the back of your television. Make sure your antenna is pointed in the direction of the broadcast towers in your area. Now press the menu button on the remote and then use the arrows to go down to setup. And make sure that antenna is selected because that's what we're going to be using to get our channels. And then once that is selected, go to Auto Program and press OK. And once again, you're going to select antenna as your input source and the scan will begin. Now I only get 3 channels in my area. More than likely, you'll get more than 3 channels though. And once the channel scan is complete, you'll be able to start watching TV.